Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 4A 4B simulation training. I will guide you through this training step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can run your training by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course help on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. You will hire me for your weekly quizzes, weekly assignment, and exams. And for complete course, I will be available 24 hours. I can do complete course for you with A plus grade. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, Python, Java, C++, and many more courses. Let's start our training to solve step by step. Question 1 is that click cell A2 on the insert tab in the tables group. Click recommended pivot table in the recommended pivot table dialog box. Okay, scroll down and then click the fifth pivot table, sum of number by location. Then click OK. First we click on cell A2 on the insert tab. In the tables group, click recommended pivot table in recommended pivot table dialog box. Okay, click on cell A2 and then click on result tab and then click on recommended pivot table. Okay, and then click recommended pivot table in the recommended pivot table dialog box, scroll down. Okay, and then click the fifth pivot table, sum of number by locations. Okay, and then click OK. Fifth table and then sum of number by location and then click OK. On the pivot table analyze tab in the pivot table group, click in the pivot table name box and select the pivot table name tab PT1. Click on OK, then tab PT1 and then press enter. Okay, this question is done now. Next question is that in the pivot table field pane in the row area, point fire police and then drag the field name upward into the filter area above. You can hire me for your complete course available 24 hours. Okay, field pane in the row area. Okay, field pane in the row area and then point to fire police and then drag to field name upward into the filter area. Field pane in the row area. Okay, then drag the field name upward into the filter area above. Okay, this is going to select the classification field checkbox to display the row area. Display classification field in row area. Click cell A5 and then expand the entire field. Click on cell A1, A5 and then entire the selected field. Okay, entire the selected field. Expand, collapse and expand. Right click on this, click on expand, collapse, expand entire field. Okay, in the pivot table field pane from the field section, drag the month field down the column area. Okay, drag the month field down the column area. You can drag this month field to the down the column area. Okay, month field down this. Here is month field and drag to the column area. Here is column area. Month field. Okay, now on the pivot table analyze tab in the filter group, click insert slicer. Okay, select the fire police checkbox, then click go to the insert tab, pivot table analyze and then analyze tab in the filter group, go to insert tab, click on slicer. go to the insert tab and then click on slicer and then select this fire police, press OK. Okay, slicer will be. Now change the fire police slicer style under dark second style. Okay, this is good. Now use fire police slicer to filter the data so that fires call are displayed. Okay, click on fires. Okay, filter this. Okay, this is done now. Insert a slicer for the classification field. Click on slicer and then click on classification and then press OK. Slicer will be inserted for classification field. Use the classification slicer to filter the data so that only emergency medical cards are displayed. Okay, emergency medical card on display. Find the sheet 1 sheet tab, right click and then on the shortcut menu click move or copy. In the move or copy dialog box at the lower left select the create a copy dialog box. Copy. Find the sheet 1 sheet tab, right click and then create shortcut menu. Right click on this and create move or copy. In the move or dialog box in the lower left you can see this. I am doing this simulation for you. Click move or copy in the move or copy dialog box. Okay, move or copy. Here is move or copy. You can see. Right click on sheet 1 and then click on move or copy and then click on create a copy, then press OK. This is good. Now moving on next question. On sheet 1 worksheet, clear the filter from the classification slicer and from the fire police slicer. Okay, we will clear the filter on these two slicers. Okay, click on this. On sheet 1 worksheet, clear the filter. Right click on this and then clear filters. Okay, now we will click on fire police slicer and then right click on this and then we will clear filter. Clear filter fire police. Okay, on sheet 1 worksheet, remove the month field from the columns area in the pivot table field pane. Okay, my internet speed is just now slow. On the sheet 1 worksheet, remove the month field from the column area. Okay, we will remove the month field from the column area. Right click on this and remove it. Okay, drag the classification field from the rows area to the column area. Okay, rows area to the column area. Close the pivot table field pane. Okay, this is good now. Okay, in the pivot table, move the dispatch cards column down 2 times so that it display to the right of fire and all other cards. Okay, you can see this in the pivot table. Move the dispatch columns. Okay, 2 times so that display the right of and fires all other cards. Dispatch this column. Dispatch cards. Column down 2 times. Column down 2 times. It display fire and all other cards. You can see this. Please follow my video and you will got a plus grade and you will done your assignment this simulation training by watching this my video. Okay, close the pivot table field pane. Question is completed now. On the sheet 1 worksheet, show the detail for cell E15. Okay, on the sheet 1 worksheet, show the details for cell E15. Okay, scroll down and then click on cell E15. Okay, then we will show this detail for. Right click on this and then click on show details. On sheet 3 with the table selected, use quick analysis display data bar to the table. On sheet 3 with the table selected, use quick analysis to display data bars. Click on data bars. Okay. Rename sheet 3 as major crimes. Right click on this sheet 3 and rename as major crimes. Then press enter. You can type here major crimes. Okay, then we press enter. Okay, this is done now. Question is completed now. Rename sheet 1 as combined calls pivot table. Okay, rename sheet 1 as combined calls pivot table. Right click on sheet 1, rename as combined combined calls pivot table. Combined calls pivot table. Okay. On the combined call pivot table worksheet, click cell A1 on the pivot table analyze table. In the pivot table group, click the pivot table arrow, click the option arrow, and then click show report filter page. Click OK. Okay. On combined calls pivot table worksheet, click cell A1 on the pivot table analyze tab. In the pivot table group, click the pivot table arrow. Okay, we will click the group pivot table arrow, option arrow, and then click shows report filter page. Click on pivot table, click on option, show report filter page. Click on show report filter page. Okay, and then press OK. With fire sheet active on the pivot table analyze, in the pivot table group, click the pivot table name box to select the pivot table name, tap PT4 and then press enter. Okay, click on pivot table name and then we will tap PT4 and then press on display the police sheet. Okay, on the pivot table analyze tab, pivot table group, click the pivot table name box to select pivot table and then tap PT3 to press enter. Okay, click on pivot table analyze and then click on pivot table name box. Okay, and then tap PT3 and then press enter. Okay, this is good. Now question is done. Now moving on next question. Display the combined chords pivot table sheet. Display the combined chords pivot table sheet. Click on combined pivot table chords pivot sheet. Okay. On the combined pivot table chord worksheet, modify the value setting to calculate average. Close the pivot table field pane is necessary. Okay. Click on field setting and click on average. Select average. Calculate average and close the pivot table field pane is necessary. Right click on this, click show field box. Okay, select average and then press OK. Modify the field set to calculate the average for this too. Okay, right click any numeric value and then on the shortcut menu click on field setting and then click on numeric number. Okay, then press OK. This is good now. Now moving on next question. Display the police sheet. Display the police sheet. Click on simply police sheet and police sheet will be displayed. Okay, in cell A1 tap police department. Click on cell A1 and then we will tap police department. Then we will tap police department. Okay, we will tap police department cell A1. Okay, simply we will tap police department cell A1. You can tap police POLICE and then DEPORTMENT and then press enter. Simply we will tap police department cell A1, then we press enter. Okay, in cell A3 tap number of calls. Click on cell A3 and then we will tap number of call. Simply click on cell A3. Okay, and then we will tap number of calls in cell A3. Okay, in cell A3 tap number of cards. Click on cell A3 and then we will tap number of calls in cell A3. Okay, we will tap number of calls in cell A3. Number of calls, and then on the design tab and the pivot table style group, display the pivot table style gallery, and then under medium first row click the second style, first row click the second style. Okay, auto fit of the column A, auto fit the width of column A, click on column A, go to the home tab, click on format tab, and then select auto fit with column. Question is completed now. On the fire and police cars worksheet, change the value in cell E3 to 824. On the fire and police cars worksheet, click on fire and police worksheet, and then change the value in cell E3. Click on cell E3, and then we will change this value 824. Click on fire and police cars worksheet. Okay, then click on cell E3, and then we will change this value 824. 824. Okay, in cell E11 tab 778, 778. Click on cell E11, then we will tap 778. Okay, display the combined cards pivot worksheet on the pivot table analyze in the data group. Click refresh arrow. Okay, click on refresh arrow, and then refresh all. Okay, question is completed now. Now on the combined calls pivot sheet, click A1 on the pivot table analyze tab, tool groups, pivot table with the cluster column selected, click OK. Okay, on the combined calls pivot worksheet, and click on click cell A1. Okay, combined call, and then click on pivot table analyze. On the tools group, click pivot table chart with cluster column selected. Click on pivot chart with cluster column selected. First we will click on cell A1 on combined called pivot table worksheet. Okay, please follow my video and you will done your training and exam by watching this video. If you do not able to do this exam or training, please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete training for you with A+ grade. I will help you in your weekly quizzes, weekly assignments, and exams and complete course. I can handle all online courses. Okay, I am also handling on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard, and many more colleges and university. Click on pivot chart and cluster column chart. Click on OK. Okay, move the chart to new sheet, first quarter chart. You can copy this first quarter chart and then move this chart. Click on move chart. Okay, click on design and then click on move chart, and move chart new sheet, first quarter chart. New sheet is first quarter chart. First quarter chart, and then click on OK. Okay, apply layout 1 to the chart. Go to the layout, and then we will apply layout 1 on this chart. Okay, apply layout 1 to the chart. Go to the design, and then go to the chart work layout. Apply layout 1. Apply the chart style 14 to the chart style. Go to the chart style, and then apply 14 chart style on this chart. Here is 14 chart style, and then we will apply. Change the chart title to first quarter chart. Do not tap the period. We will change the chart title. Click on chart title, and then we will tap first quarter cards. Okay, we will tap here first quarter cards of the chart title. Do not type the periods. Okay, question is completed now. Now moving on, next question is question number 12. On the first quarter chart worksheet, filter the pivot chart so that only police cards are displayed. Then modify the classification filter to display dispatch cards are not displayed on the chart. On the first quarter worksheet, click on first quarter worksheet. Okay, filter the pivot chart so that police cards are displayed. Modify the classification filter so that dispatch cards are not displayed on the chart. Okay, click select all, and then only show this select all, and then first we'll click on all, and then we will select only police, then click on OK. Select all, and then we will display or display this. Okay, we will deselect this. On the design tab, in the tab group, click change chart tab. In the change chart tab dialog box, click the second chart tab, start column chart. Okay, we will change this chart type to start column chart, and then click OK. Go to the chart type, and then select column chart, start column chart. Okay, then click on OK. Display the chart element list, and then add center data label. Okay, click on data labels, and then select center data label. Okay, display the pivot chart field pane, and the field pane value area, click average number and on chords, and then click value field setting, and click sum, and then click OK. Display the pivot chart fields pane. In the pivot chart fields pane, in the value area, click average, right click in this. Okay, click average of chords, and then click on format, click on select data. Okay, please follow my video, and you will done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, and any help on my WhatsApp and email. Okay, I am doing this assignment very slow because my all student will be under very well. Insert timeline is here. Okay, you can see this. I have done 12 questions out of 17 for remaining question, and if you want to read for a complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can handle all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, Writing, C++, Java, Python, and many more courses. Please hire me for your course help. I will handle your weekly quizzes, I will handle your weekly assignments and exams, and complete course with A+ grade. I am also handling many students courses from USA, Canada, and many more countries on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard, and many more websites, colleges, and universities. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my students. Thank you so much.